so I don't farm anything out. I'm going to be working on the Bronco, I'm going to be installing the alternator, power steering pump, etc. So let's get started. So this is the complete kit. These are the different fittings for your, that go in your crankshaft, whether it's metric or SAE. Mine is a 3/4 inch. So it comes with a plate, and the plate's got a bearing on it. So we're going to pull it, and it's going to ride on the bearing. So as you're tightening the bolt, it's going to spin, and it's not going to put anything to bind, and there's not going to be any chance of pulling the threads or damaging the threads on your crankshaft. So all you got to do is screw it on, right? Now remember, that's the side going under the crankshaft, right? It's going to go onto the bearing. And then we're just going to simply thread it in, okay? About like so. So now you're just going to thread it into the crankshaft, right? Right. Just going to thread, right? Okay. Just like so. All right, so now you're gonna hold the threaded rod, threaded bolt, whatever you want to call it, that goes into the crankshaft, and then you're gonna turn the top one, and it goes in nice and smooth. Right, see how easy that's going in? Now you can see I only got about maybe 3/4 of an inch to go. You can see how far I've already had to thread it on, and this tool is so awesome. It makes life so much easier. All right, so now to get it off, all you got to do is spin her on out, baby. And she is on. And very, very easy. And what a clean installation this was. So I would highly recommend the balancer installation tool. It's really cheap. Not only is it good for install, but obviously, you know, it's for removal as well. So I want to thank a very good friend of mine, Scott Steed, for his information and his advice at Steed Performance. So thanks, Scott. Thank you, everybody, for watching the video. Please make sure and subscribe. Any questions, hit me up. She's looking good. Next, we're going to do the intake. I'm going to do the tunnel ram here in just a little bit.